I want people to sort of have this epiphany of, oh, I don't need a big stack of hi-fi. I can just buy these speakers and just have the best sound.
High-end has a new home. I've just landed in Vienna for the first ever high-end show in Austria. Cambridge Audio's here in a big way. I've recently released Evo 300 and Evo One Midnight, both on display. But it's also one of the first times that people can experience our new LR active stereo speakers in a dedicated demo space. I'm headed there now, so let's go check it out. The Cambridge Audio room is just down here. So let me show you around.
This most advanced, most powerful, refined streaming amplifier so far.
Right now we're playing audio out of our LRM speakers. They are the mid-range version of our brand new LR active speaker systems. They are boasting the passive radiators for a really deep and detailed bass. 150 watts per speaker. You really need to listen to them to believe what you're hearing because they really pack a punch.
So we've got a dedicated listening room here for LRX, which is the flagship of our LR range of active streaming speakers. And we're really excited to get people in here. We can't wait for people to hear them, because to hear them is to believe them. They've got the scale of a floor standing speaker out of a small bookshelf size cabinet. People are in awe when they hear it, so we're looking forward to seeing the faces of people sat on these chairs, having a good listen to these and understanding why we're so excited about them.
So what I want people to experience when listening to LRX is just the sheer performance. I want people looking for the subwoofer, because there isn't one in this room, it's just these speakers. So what Cambridge do differently at these shows is we just play what we enjoy, really. So there's nothing wrong with die straits, but there's no die straits in here. It's just a kind of eclectic mix of stuff we love. So from drum and bass, classical music, pop, rock, everything, and we have a great time.
That's a wrap on High-End Vienna 2026. Thanks to everyone who came down to check out our new products. We've got an engineering deep dive coming soon from our head of acoustics, Ollie, so stay tuned for that. Loads more to come. For now, I'll sign off. Peace.